Here we are talking about next determiner, that is quantifier, and quantifier means this is used for the quantity, used to measure the quantity, and they tell us about approximate number or amount. Quantifiers tell us about approximate number or amount. Examples: some, any, much, many, more, less, few, less. These are the examples of the quantifiers. Some, any. Some and any both means a certain number or amount, or a quantity or degree. Some, any both means number, amount, quantity or degree. Use of some. Some is used in the affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences, for example, she drank some water, means the affirmative sentences in which here question mark is not used and the not word is not used in the sentences. These type of sentences are called affirmative sentences. Second, some is used in questions where yes is expected as answer. Means if we ask anything from any person, the person could answer that question in the word yes. Let us see the example. Did you buy some new clothes? Did you buy some new clothes? If we ask this question from any person, the person can say yes. And these type of sentences take some. Next, in offer and request. When we make any offer or any request to a person, example, could you buy some sweets? In these type of sentences, some is used. So here is a note to learn about some. Let us see the note. When some is used with singular countable noun, some is used with the singular countable noun, it means unspecified or unknown. It means unspecified or unknown. For example, some strange man keeps making blank calls. Some strange man, that is unknown man, nobody knows who is that. That's why it has taken keeps, singular verb. Here is the uses of any. Any is used in negative sentences where some was used in the positive affirmative sentences, and any is used in the negative sentences. I have not got any clothes. Second, in interrogative sentences, have you got any exciting plans? Have you got any exciting plan? And any is used with hardly, barely and scarcely words also. For example, there is hardly any tea left. Note, any conveys either every or nothing particular. When we use any, that means every, or it may have the meaning nothing particular. For example, any news is welcome. Any here is used, it means every news is welcomed. Take any book you like, it means you can take any book, कोई भी book ले सकते हो which you like, means it's not a particular book. Little, a little, the little, few, a few, the few, they all are used for the countable or uncountable nouns. Little, a little, the little, they are used for the uncountable noun. Few, a few, the few, they are used for the countable nouns. And little and few in both meaning scarcity, lack of something. Scarcity or lack of something means negative meaning. Example, there is little joy in eating alone, means there is no joy in eating alone. It means negative. There are few girls in class. Few means not many. Next, a little, a few. A little means small amount, a few means small number. For example, a little hope is enough to survive. A little. A few teachers were absent on Saturday. It is uncountable and it is countable. Here the little, the few. The little and the few means the whole quantity or whole number which is present, that is to be consumed. For example, the little milk was not enough for hungry baby. The little milk, how much the milk was there, that was not sufficient for the baby. The few voters who had came to their franchisee seemed excited, means very few voters came but they all were excited. And the little and the few, they both are used, they both are followed by a relative clause in which that may be omitted. Omitted means that may not be used. Note, less and least are comparative and superlative forms of little. Less and least, they both are the comparative and superlative forms of little, means little, less, least. Now use of many, much, many. Both means a lot. Many and much means a lot. Much is used with uncountable and it takes a singular verb. Much is used with the uncountable nouns, and with these type of sentences we use singular verb. For example, much of promise remains unfulfilled. Much of promise remains. Remains means this is singular verb. Many, it is used with the countable and plural nouns and it takes plural verb also. For example, many things are yet to be completed. Many things, plural, and things countable, and it has used or it has taken the plural verb also. Many a has the same use as many, but it is followed by a singular countable noun and it takes a singular verb. Example, many a thing. Many, if we use many then thing, then it is many things, but many a means we have used the singular verb. This is the difference only with in many a or many. In many we use plural verb, but in many a singular verb is used. So note, positive, comparative and superlative form, much and many. Much positive, comparative more, and superlative most. So for many also same is there, many positive, comparative more, and superlative most. Let we see its uses. More, less, fewer are comparative determinants. More, less, fewer, they all three are the comparative determinants. More is followed by than. More is followed by than means more के साथ में हम than use करते हैं. And it is used before plural uncountable noun. More किसके साथ यूज होता है? प्लूरल अनकाउंटेबल नाउन के साथ. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ मोर? इट मीन्स क्वांटिटी और अमाउंट ऑफ समथिंग इज कंपैरिजन इन कंपैरिजन टू अनदर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही राइट्स मोर लेटर्स देन आई डू. ही राइट्स मोर, उसने ज़्यादा लिखा देन आई डू. मोर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर द एडिशनल क्वांटिटी. मोर मीन्स एडिशन. At that time, then is not used, means when we use more for talking about additional quantity, then we do not use then, but here we use then when we talk about the comparison. For example, more funds will be collected when the need arises. More means और ज़्यादा, additional funds will be collected when the need arises. Less means an amount is small then another amount, means एक amount दूसरी amount से कम है. It is used with uncountable nouns. For example, Rohit has less chicken at his poultry farm than pigs. Fewer, it is used with plural nouns to refer to a group of things that is smaller than another group. Fewer means it is used with plural nouns and it means the plural noun refer to a group of things that is smaller than any other group. For example, there are fewer orchards in plains than in hills. So today we have learned here about quantifiers some, any, little, few, much, many. Thank you.